Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, and welcome back. I know when you're seeing this video, it won't be Valentine's, it'll be a couple of days later, but you can see what I did to kind of get things ready, just to make it a little bit special for my family. Plus, I'm also going to be making some cream cheese apple roses. Now, you can use that for any event coming up or any special time, maybe even Mother's Day. So let's get started. I changed my quote first on the quote board. I'm super excited about that. Kind of hurts my fingernails, but that's okay. It's beautiful. And look, I got some balloons. And if you wanted to know what the theme of our dinner is, it's going to be pizza. Just finished working, so I'm setting up the table now. I need to get started on that dessert. I saw this recipe on Pinterest and kind of been floating around. I might have even seen it on Facebook this week, but it was just where they made these cute little roses out of apples and puff pastry. And so I've been meaning to try it. So got my apple core, and I got honey crisp apples. Those are my favorite. So all you're going to do is just core the middle. Let's see if I can get it. There it goes. This is awesome. And then you're just going to cut it in half and thinly slice. So it looks like there's a couple little bit of seeds, but I'll get those out. So just thinly slice it all the way through. And then we're just going to put it in this in a glass bowl with a little bit of lemon juice and some water, and we're just going to microwave it for a few minutes. So what we're doing is slightly cooking it, but I don't want them to be completely cooked, just enough so that they'll bend. So these are perfect, like they're nice and thin. So I'm just gonna get the rest of those going, and I'll show you when I put them in the glass jar or glass bowl. Just put in my lemon juice. It's in the bowl, ready to go into the microwave, and then I'm gonna pull out the pastry. So all I did was pull out the sheet, the dough sheet. I'll show you. It's Crescent, the Pillsbury. That's all I could find at my store, which I don't know if there's any more, but I just quartered it. So you can see there's like these long strips, and then, oh my goodness, it's already starting to look, and it's just adorable. So you're just going to put a little bit of cream cheese, and I'm going to have plenty of leftovers, so I can go and get me some everything bagels. Those are my favorite. What is your favorite bagel? I love everything. You know what I put on it? I think I probably put it on my Instagram, but maybe not on this one. Anyways, I put lemon pepper on top of tomatoes. Oh my, those are my favorite. And sometimes I even put cucumbers. So I have my softened apples. I love Honey Crisp. They have like a nice little tartness to them. So it kind of reminds me of like a fall recipe too. So, you know, keep this one in your recipe books and use it for when you have like tons of apples. So good. Okay, and so now I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on it. You can probably even do the cinnamon sugar right on top of the cream cheese. I'm probably, you could do it both ways, I think. And just kind of get some of that on the apples. Now the top is going to be the rose. So I'm just folding this over and then just carefully rolling it up. So let's see how that goes. My first one's cute, look. So I'm just gonna roll it up. Notice how I have to concentrate. Okay, here we go. And so these are just gonna go right into the muffin tins and bake. But look at how cute, just like a little rose. And it goes right into the muffin tin. If I probably rolled it tight enough. I understand, sister. So I'm just gonna do these ones, and I'm gonna fill up my muffin tin. I'm probably making 8 total, and I'll show you what that looks like. They're all done, ready to go. Look how cute they turned out. Well, before they bake. Now I'm gonna be putting them in the oven for 375. For 40 minutes. That's what the recipe card says, which will be at the end of the video. But I'm going to be watching them because I don't want them to get overly burnt because that seems like an awful long time. So I'm going to be watching them and I'll let you know. I just took these out of the oven. Oh my goodness. They are gorgeous and ready for our dinner. So I'll probably plate them and get the ice cream ready. Yum, yum. So I'm gonna get the table ready now. Here we go, of course, dessert. And we'll have some vanilla ice cream, and the boys just like the pizza. It's nothing extra special. It's not heart-shaped, but they love it. So this is our Valentine's Day this year. Yay! Thanks for joining me on my Valentine's special with the cream cheese apple roses. Now those can be made anytime. So I hope you try them. If you do, let me know and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.
So good. So good.